Good morning, student. I am Sandeep Soni. Today we will learn about tuples in Python. The topics that today we will discuss are definition of tuple, creation of tuple, traversing of tuple, the operation that we can perform on a tuple, and the function that we can apply on the tuple. So let's define the tuple. Tuple is a collection of items which are immutable, means हम उसको change नहीं कर सकते हैं. Tuple are used to store multiple item in a single variable, means we can store multiple types of item into the same variable. Like we can store in a tuple general student name, their roll number and date of birth. How we can write the tuple? Simply tuple will be declared into the small brackets. This is the example of tuple. Let's see in the Python how we can define a tuple. To define a tuple, simply you have to declare one variable t1 equal to, then we can start with bracket. In the bracket we can define the element or item of our tuple, like 1 2 5 8 7 4. These are the item of tuple. So this is called your tuple. How to print the tuple? Use the print function print to print a tuple like t1. Execute the program and this is the output for that 1 2 5 7. As I said, we can define multiple item, like in this sense also we can define the tuple item. इसमें हमने integer type का item भी define किया है, as well as we define the string type and float type item also. Now how we can traverse a tuple? Traversing means visiting one element at a time in the tuple. Means हम tuple के elements जो होते हैं उनको कैसे हम visit कर सकते हैं. We will discuss on it. तो as earlier I explain you about how we can traverse a string or traverse a list. In same manner we can traverse a tuple also. To traverse or to visit a particular element in a tuple, we have to give that particular element index address. So in the square bracket we give the index address of that particular element. Like I want to visit the first element, so I write t1 and in the square bracket I give the address of first element. In this manner I can access the first element. If I want to access this 8, so I have to give the index address of that particular element. So 0 1 2 3 and 4. By this I can access the that. There is one more method. By that we can visit all the element of tuple using for loop. For I in t1. Okay, where we have to write print i's value, where I will contain all the element one by one into the for loop. So in this manner we can traverse all the element of our tuple. इस तरह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वन बाय वन हम for loop का यूज करके टपल्स के सारे एलिमेंट को विजिट कर सकते हैं. Now we will discuss about the some operation that we can perform on the tuple, that is called as a concatenation and repetition. So concatenation means how we can add two tuples, means one another other, and how we can repeat a tuple in number of times. So first we talk about concatenation. So let's consider we have one more tuple, that is t2 20 30. Now I have to concatenate it. I write print t1 plus t2. So simply this operation, arithmetical operation, will concatenate one tuple another other. As you see, this is my first tuple and we add the first tuple at the end of second tuple. तो हम इस तरह से पहली टपल के पीछे दूसरी टपल को ऐड कर सकते हैं. बट दिस इज नॉट एक्सटेंडिंग एन टपल विथ अनदर टपल, बिकॉज मैंने जैसा कहा है कि ये इम्यूटेबल होता है, हम इसमें चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो ये टपल तो वही रहेगा, बट हमने दो टपल को आपस में मिला के सिर्फ यहाँ पे राइट किया है। नथिंग मेक चेंज इनटू द टपल T1 और T2 both. Now second operation is called as a repetition. If you want to repeat any tuple, for example we have to repeat the second tuple 3 times. अगर second tuple को हमें 3 बार repeat करना है तो at that time we can write the asterisk operation. By this you can repeat the T2 at 3 time in, this is the output, 2030 1 time, 2030 2 time and 2030 3 time. So this is called the repetition operation. Now there are some basic function and method that we can perform on a tuple. So very first is called as a len. By using len function we can find out the length of a particular tuple. Len of that particular tuple. So in the len function or method we have to give the argument as tuple, means जिस tuple का हमें लेंथ निकालना है उसे हमें लेन मेथड के अंदर एज ए आर्ग्यूमेंट प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो हियर आई पुट T1 means what is the length of T1. So this function give me the length of T1. So this will give 7. So there are 7 items present into this list, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you want to find out the length of any tuple, then you can use len method. Now we have second, that is tuple. So tuple is simple, a constructor method. By that we can create a tuple. Count is a method. By that we can count occurrence of any element in the tuple. For example, we have 5 2 time in the list. If you want to find out the occurrence of 5, कितनी बार 5 उस लिस्ट टपल में आ रहा है, तो हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, काउंट मेथड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. First we have to write T1 dot, as we write dot, this will give automatically count function. In that we have to give that particular number as a parameter, means I want to find out the occurrence of 5. So this will return me the 5 occurrence. 5 कितनी बार आया है, तो ये 5 2 बार आया, यहाँ पे हमें रिटर्न कर रहा है. In same manner you can go for any item. If I want to find out the occurrence of 9, this will give me the occurrence of 9. 9 will come one time only. The next is that index. Index will return the index location of any item. T1 dot index. So this will return the index location. For example, I want to know the index location of 3. So this will return the index location. The index location for the 3 is 1. For index location 4 will return 2. तो ये क्या बताता है कि यहाँ पे इनका एड्रेस कहाँ है, इंडेक्स की लोकेशन पे कहाँ है. दिस विल रिटर्न द इंडेक्स लोकेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल. नाउ सॉर्ट इज अ मेथड. बाय दैट वी कैन सॉर्ट द टपल. तो T1 dot sort then T1. So this will return, sorted. तो दिस विल सॉर्टेड द लिस्ट इनटू द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, लिस्ट को एक असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में शॉर्ट करके रिटर्न कर रहा है. तो सॉर्टेड मेथड इज यूज्ड टू सॉर्ट द टपल इनटू एन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव मीन और मैक्स फंक्शन. Mean will be return you the minimum element from the list and max will you return the maximum item from the tuple. T1 this will return you the minimum element, means सबसे छोटा एलिमेंट आपको रिटर्न करेगा. and the max function will return you the maximum element from the list. We have the minimum element is 1 and maximum element is what, 9. The last thing is that sum. Sum is a method that is used to find out the sum of your tuple item. Sum, and this will give the sum of our tuple item. So here we have 42, and 42 is the sum of our tuple T1.